What's going on, YouTube? We're out here in Callahan, Florida. This is a brand new house, and this contractor here brings me in to do some post-construction cleanup after he builds the houses. He does quite a few houses a year, so this isn't really too hard. The concrete, we just kind of rinse it off. They're actually going to be epoxy coating all the concrete, so he's not worried about it being super clean because they're going to grind it down anyway, but just get it somewhat clean. This is a beautiful house here, like $750,000 or something like that. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. I want to talk about how to get customers as a new person, as somebody that's been in the business, and not really exactly a blueprint of exactly how to get customers, but the mindset behind it, because it is a mindset. Okay, you have to understand that when it comes to business, I'm not an expert, right? I'm not like some guru. I do less than $100,000 a year so far, but I still make more than I've ever made at any other regular jobs I've done. But here's the back of the house. But anyway, the point I want to talk about is we don't struggle with the work, right? The work is the easiest part of the business. Like actually doing the pressure washing, it's not complicated. You know, you do have to do your research and learn how to soft wash and how to set up your equipment and what chemicals to use and all that. That's important. But the thing that we struggle with is understanding like the psychology behind it. Now, if you don't have a bunch of money to invest in yard signs and business cards and SEO and all this stuff like me, right? I don't spend any money really on advertising and marketing other than like yard signs and business cards. I don't spend any money online to market. I don't do Yelp. I don't pay for Google ads. I don't pay for Facebook ads or Instagram ads or none of that. Maybe I should. Maybe that's something I should do, and I'm not against it. But what you need to program into your mind is the biggest problem with like running a business and not getting a lot of jobs is just awareness. You need to remind yourself this all the time, that it's not necessarily about what campaign you want, what marketing campaign you need to do or exact strategy. It's about awareness, right? It's about when people are in conversation in your town and somebody says the words pressure washing, who do they think of? Who do they think of? Do they think about the person that has the nicest truck? Do they think about the person that has the nicest shirt, the nicest soft wash system? What do they think about? I want them to think about you, okay? Regardless of what truck, what car you drive, what machine you use, 4-gallon, 8-gallon, 100-gallon a minute machine, it doesn't matter. It's about awareness. And this is coming from a standpoint of not having a lot of money, right? So when you don't have a lot of money, you have to make up for it in another way by bringing awareness, being annoying. Every time you're in conversation, you tell people about your business. And what jobs have you done recently? Like, this is a great job. If I come across somebody and we start talking about pressure washing, I say, I just did a beautiful custom home out there in Callahan. Let me show you a picture of it. We just did this one. Boom, we just did this job. We just did some apartments. We just did this house. We just did 3 driveways. We just did this, right? And specifically on social media, my strategy is post as much as possible all the time. I don't care if people say it's annoying. I don't care if they say, oh, it's too much. You want to plant the seeds in people's minds that you are in business and you are willing to help them and you provide excellent service, right? Get as many reviews as you can. Almost every job, get people to write you a review on Google. I say Google because that's the number one search engine, and people, when they search up pressure washing, if you have enough reviews and stuff, and they'll most likely call you if it's in their area. But just think about awareness. Think about how can you get your name out there. Can you go print out flyers at the library, or if you have a printer, print out 100 flyers. They don't have to be fancy. Just get some flyers made that say your name, what you do, and your special offer, whatever it is, $25 off, $50 off, and go pass them out. Go pass out 500 flyers, right? Go knock on doors, talk to people at your church, talk to people in your kids' ball games. Like, it's about awareness. Be consistent. I want people to, like I said, when they're having a conversation about pressure washing, they think of you. When you're out doing a job in a neighborhood, put out yard signs while you're working. Get some A-frame signs, put them in front of your car while you're working with your phone number on it. It's about awareness. Just get people to know who you are and what you do. And that will take you a lot further than just sitting at home saying, I can't find any jobs, man, I don't have any money. Like, the less money you have, the more creative you have to get, okay? That's the number one thing. So this doesn't work short term, okay? This isn't something that, you start posting on Facebook and a week from now you're going to get 500 jobs. It's about consistency. It's about planting the seeds in people's minds of what you do, who you are, and building a reputation. And a reputation will take you very far. It's very hard to create a great reputation. It's easy to ruin it. So do your best. Always do the best work. Always get a list also of contractors that you know that offer different services. When I go to a customer's house and they say, hey, do you know anybody that installs pavers? Yes, I got 3 guys I can call right now. Do you know an electrician? Do you know a plumber? Do you know a carpenter? Do you know a roofer? Do you know somebody that installs windows? I can call right then and there. I can jump on the phone, call my guy right there and say, hey, I got a customer here right now that is interested in getting a deck built in the back of their house. Boom, plug it in right there. When they know that you're an authority figure and you are well connected, they want to do business with you. And it just helps. And then you're also providing opportunities for somebody else, and you're helping the customer, and you're helping yourself. So it's about awareness. Partner up with local contractors. See if you can help them. Offer some stuff for free. A lot of times I ride through a subdivision or a nice neighborhood that has like brick mailboxes and they have like real dirty mailboxes. I'll just go knock on the door and say, hey, I want to clean your mailbox for free. Boom. And then you're in there and you're saying, while I'm here, I see your pool deck's a little nasty. Can I do that? I'll give you a good price while I'm here. I'm already here, so let me give you a good price. Again, I'm not giving you specific ways to get customers today. I'm talking about a mindset. Plant the seeds in your own mind. Like, I need to not be obscure. I need to be out in front of people. I need to be in front of people all the time telling them about my business. It really is. It was a mindset shift for me. This is a long-term thinking. This is about branding. This is about awareness. This is about stepping out of obscurity and announcing yourself to the world, and that you're serious, that you're in this for the long term. You're not just somebody trying to make a quick buck. You're not just a chuck in a truck that just wants to get as much money as they can as quick as they can. You're about delivering excellent results. You're about communication. You're a humble person. You really want to help people. You want to serve the customer. You want to do a great job to earn a great review. And the best compliment in business you can get is when one of your customers refers you to their friends and family. That's the best compliment you can get, because that means you did a great job. The price was right, and they felt like you delivered the results you promised. So with that being said, put your name out there. Don't be afraid. Shout it from the rooftops. Post on Facebook 45 times a day, Instagram, X, Snapchat, whatever it is. Post on there all the time. Don't be afraid of people judging you or saying you're doing too much, you're annoying. If they block you, that's fine. If they unfollow you, that's fine. Great, good. But guess what? Over time, that works. Every time people see you in public, you honestly become like a little local celebrity. People are like, hey, you're the pressure washing guy. It literally happens to me all the time. So, and I'm not a celebrity. I'm not a big wig. I don't have a bunch of money. I haven't even made 6 figures in a single year. Since I started my business, I've made 6 figures, but I haven't done it in a single year yet. So with that being said, hopefully this is good advice, and I want you to crush it. So let's get it.